Is your garage door glass cracked, foggy, or outdated? Replacing it can enhance your home's curb appeal and improve insulation. Let's dive into the process of garage door glass replacement. First, identify the type of glass your garage door uses. Common options include clear, frosted, and insulated glass. Make sure to choose the right one to match your door and your needs. Next, gather your tools: safety gloves, glasses, a putty knife, and the replacement glass panel. Safety first, always wear protective gear when handling glass. Carefully remove the old glass by loosening the clips or frames holding it in place. If the glass is broken, handle it with care to avoid injury. Now, insert the new glass into the frame. Secure it with the clips or frames, ensuring it fits snugly and is properly aligned. Finally, test the garage door by opening and closing it. Make sure the glass is secure and that there are no gaps or misalignments. Replacing your garage door glass is a straightforward process that can make a big difference in your home's appearance. Whether you're upgrading for style or replacing damaged panels, a little effort goes a long way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home improvement tips